Hi there, welcome back to English Caffe. In this basic vocabulary lesson, you're going to learn 27 verbs related to cooking. Let's begin. Turn on the stove. Turn off the stove. Peel. Chop. Slice. Grate. Add. Beat. Stir. Spread. Squeeze. Knead. Roll. Pour. Fry. Boil. Steam. Grill. Roast. Bake. Grind. Toast. Mash. Soak. Drain. Garnish. Serve. Now it's practice time. Let's check your understanding. Turn on the stove. Turn off the stove. Serve. Add. For example, add salt. Beat. For example, beat the eggs. Stir. For example, stir the vegetables. Spread. For example, spread the butter on the bread. Steam. For example, we steam foods like momos and idlis. Squeeze. For example, squeeze the lemon. Soak. For example, soak the pulses in the water. Slice. For example, slice the onions for the salad. Chop. For example, chop the onions for the vegetable. Roll. For example, roll the chapatis. Roast. For example, roasted chicken. Roast the chicken. Knead. For example, knead the flour for rotis. Pour. For example, pour the milk into the glass. Grill. For example, grill the chicken on the flame. Peel. For example, peel the potatoes. Grind. For example, we grind the spices. Garnish. For example, we garnish the food before serving. Grate. For example, grate the carrots. Drain. For example, drain the boiled noodles. Fry. For example, fry the pakoras. Boil. For example, boil the eggs. Toast. For example, toast the bread for the breakfast. Mash. For example, mash the potatoes to make French fries. Bake. For example, we bake the cookies or we bake the biscuits. And that's all for this vocabulary lesson. We hope you enjoyed the lesson and we hope you learned new verbs. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. If you liked the lesson, please like the video. Share your feedback in the comment section. Share it with a friend and subscribe to English Caffe for more lessons.